Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to handwrite on Google Docs. First of all, open Google Docs and a blank document. Once the blank document is open in front of you, go to the Insert app and click on it. After clicking, choose the option Drawing and then click on New. After clicking, a small format will appear in front of you. Once the small format is open, here we can easily draw anything. For this, just come here and click on that arrow. After clicking, go to the end and select the scribble button. Click on it. After clicking, here we can easily create anything. Like this, I am creating. After creating, if you want to add anything else, just go to the preside and click on that arrow. After clicking, just select this one, like that. After selecting, go to the line color option, click on it. After clicking, here you can easily choose any color for this. Like that, I am selecting black. And now you can see, now this is black. And then, select it again, and go to this line weight button, click on it. And here, you can easily choose the weight of your design. After selecting, you can see your drawing has been weighted. And then, go to the top right side of that format and click on Save and Close. After clicking, here you can see, your drawing has been in Google Docs. That's the way to handwrite on Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.